How to add home button on iPhone 12. So if you want to add a new home button to your iPhone home screen on iPhone 12, whether running on iOS 18 or iOS 17 or earlier, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add home button on iPhone 12, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Once you open the settings app on your phone, scroll down, click on accessibility. Now, under accessibility, you want to scroll down and then select touch. Now, under touch, locate and click on assisted touch. Here, you want to turn on assisted touch. Then you see this button add to your phone home screen. Now, come to custom action and click on single tap. Then select what you want to happen if you single tap the button on your iPhone. Click on double tap. Select whatever you want to happen, then click on long press. So you can customize how this home button works. After that, whenever you are anywhere on your iPhone, whether on any application or website, just click on this button again. Then you should be taken back to the home screen. You see that? However, if you press and hold it, then you're gonna see another function performed. Then if you double tap it, then you're gonna see your app drawer comes up. So this depends on how you configure or customize the home screen button here. Customize top level menu. You can also customize the top level menu. See this? So reset. So if you go back, click on this once again, then you're gonna see these home buttons where you can easily control the home, control center, device, notification, custom, and then Siri. See that? So that is basically how to add home button on iPhone 12. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.